All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're going to do something a little different.
We're all different.
Yeah, we're not chasing some huge global trend. We're going deep on one single, very specific, and maybe, on the surface, kind of boring piece of AV hardware.
The Aurora Multimedia LVR-3G low-voltage mounting bracket.
That's the one. It's for the NXT-470 touch panel. And our mission today is to figure out what this one little component can tell us about efficiency, about compliance, and really about the modern supply chain.
And here's the hook.
The hook.
Yeah.
It's in stock, part number LVR-3G, and it costs exactly $24.
$24. So the question is, why are we spending our time on a $24 piece of stamped metal?
It seems kind of absurd, right? But what's attached to it is fascinating. It's all about procurement.
You'd think for $24, the savings would be, what, a few cents? It's almost negligible, but that's not the point.
Okay, so let's get right into that. If the tariff saving is pennies, why is the term tariff-free front and center in the product description?
Because the source material explicitly says it offers a more budget-friendly and cost-efficient solution. The saving isn't just about the cash, it's about the friction, the paperwork.
The legal certainty.
Exactly. And that brings us to the really crucial detail. It's TAA compliant.
Okay, let's unpack TAA. For anyone listening who isn't deep in government contracts, what does TAA, the Trade Agreements Act, actually mean here?
It's everything. I mean, for a federal installation or any project using U.S. government money, TAA compliance is non-negotiable.
It's like a pre-approval badge.
That's a great way to put it. A non-compliant part, even a tiny one, could kill an entire bid. Weeks of audits, potential rejection. So this LVR-3G isn't just a commodity.
It's a certified, legally approved component that saves you time. And in procurement, time is worth a lot more than $24.
It's more.
So the compliance is the real value. But let's shift from that to the customer support side of things, because this part is almost unbelievable.
Yeah, this is where it gets really interesting.
The sources say it comes with free lifetime telephone, chat, text, fax, and email tech support, free USA shipping, an Aurora factory warranty for a $24 bracket.
That kind of support completely changes what you're buying, right? You're not buying a piece of hardware. You're buying guaranteed uptime for the whole system that's built on it.
They must be incredibly confident it's never going to fail.
That's what it tells you. It speaks volumes about their quality control, even on these foundational low-cost parts.
And this little bracket, this LVR-3G,
right,
it doesn't just exist on its own. Hold on, what exactly is the NXT-470? Is that the display itself?
Yeah, it's one of their smaller control touch panels. So this bracket fits right into their whole ecosystem. You know, a world of high-end, complex stuff like their VPX series video processors or the RE-AX control systems.
So this little bracket is literally the thing ensuring that super sophisticated control system is physically, and just as important, legally compliant inside a secure government building.
You've got it. That's the link.
And this whole tariff-free thing isn't just for the cheap stuff. I'm looking at another product here, the DXE-CT-RK3 rack mount kit.
Right.
That's also listed as tariff-free, but it costs $398. So this is clearly a strategic choice across their whole product range.
It shows they're actively removing geopolitical risk and tariff uncertainty from the entire solution, from the simple mount all the way to the expensive rack kit.
So let's bring this all together. We started with a specific $24 mounting bracket. And what we found is that understanding things like TAA compliance and tariff-free pricing isn't just for your big ticket items.
No, it's absolutely essential for cost efficiency on even the smallest parts of your AV infrastructure.
Which really leaves us with a final thought for you to take away. I think the question to ask yourself is this: how much hidden cost or complexity are you ignoring in the peripheral parts of the tech you use every day? The mounts, the cables, the little adapters. What savings might you be missing out on by not checking the tariff status or the compliance of your next tiny piece of hardware? Sometimes the most important discovery isn't about the device itself.
It's about the bracket holding it up.